Dependent origination means that all phenomena, outer and inner, do not appear without any causes, nor are they caused by a causeless and permanent creator, such as the self, time, or God. In fact, they arise through the coming together of their own particular causes and conditions. As the Buddha said, when this is, that is, from the arising of this comes the arising of that. When this isn't, that is, and single quotes T. From the cessation of this comes the cessation of that. More specifically, all outer phenomena arise through dependent origination, in the manner of a seed developing into a sprout, for example. And all inner phenomena, the aggregates of supreme, intermediate or lesser beings, rise through dependent origination in the manner of the 12 links.